Hi guys, happy Wednesday. So here you can see my new and improved clean chart. And I'm looking at the US dollar CAD, Canadian dollar. Now this is a trade I have had open for a few days, and as of yesterday it was up 63 pips for both of these trades. Didn't hit its take profit. But now look at it. It's down 152 pips each trade. It totally turned around and went the opposite direction on me. So now that I have my new exit strategy that I went over in my exits deeper dive videos, I find myself already in a dilemma. This is my indicator down here. This is BBPRC, and as you can see, it has not crossed yet. However, price has crossed and is closing over the baseline. So I believe I am going to have to close that. Here's one of the things, though, that just sticks in my mind. You can't see all of this, but this right here is news coming out at 5:30 tomorrow morning, my time. And it is the United States unemployment claims. And I got to tell you, everybody's unemployed, it seems like, in America. So I'm thinking that's going to hit that dollar pretty hard, and that sucker's going to turn around and go down again. But I don't trade on fundamentals, so I need to just follow my system and be good, even though my exit indicator hasn't crossed yet. It is so funny too, because was it Tim? I hope I'm getting the name right. Was asking me if I had actually tested my exits against the baseline, meaning whichever one triggered first is the pips I took. And I hadn't done that at first, and then I went back and I rechecked everything, and none of them triggered later than the baseline. But look what's happening right here. I've got this very same scenario. Here my BBPRC is not triggering, but my baseline is. So there you go. See, Tim? You were right. So anyway, so I am going to close it and take this 150 pip loss or 300 pip loss because that's what my system does. But you know what? I'm going to take I'm going to just put in a line right there, just for curiosity's sake. Tomorrow when I come back and check it, maybe I will cry when I see that it turned around and went the other way. Anyway, so that's my one open trade. I have a couple of trades that look like possibilities. The first one is Aussie yen. Let's pull that one up. Okay, so this one, as you can see, this one, oh, we got to get rid of this because we're opening trades. Okay, so this one crossed here. It had a really good signal from both Super Trend and Ash. It had lots of volume, but look at that. It was, if I go here, it was way too far. My ATR was 145 and my distance was 254. Okay, and it didn't really do much. And now today it's coming down, which is the opposite direction. However, my indicators still are showing go up, and I still have volume. Not as much as before, but I have volume. And so according to that, I should be buying, because now we can see the ATR is 119.5 and the distance is only 66. So even though this doesn't quote unquote feel right, my indicators say go, so I'm going. So there we have it. We bought that one. The other one is Great Britain CAD, or sterling Canadian dollar. Okay, so if we look at this one, we can see here that we just had a cross. Uh-oh, it went too far now. Wow, it went too far. Just a second ago, it was okay. Let's see, how far is it? 237 and 283. Look at that, how fast. I was just here like not even 5 minutes ago scanning these, and this one was fine, and look how much it's going. Man, there's part of me that just wants to take it because it was there, and I was just too slow on the draw. It's absolute strength. We got lots of volume. Nope, I guess I won't take it because I have to be true to my system, and my system says if it's too far from your ATR, you can't take it. Now, what I might do is come back and check this. Right now it's 1:50, which means we have 10 minutes until, or 9 minutes until the close. So I may come back and check it and see if this retraces down and it gets us back within our ATR, I will buy that. If not, I will leave it alone. Alrighty, let's see, Great Britain CAD. I had several here that looked good, but the volume doesn't support it. So we can just see what those trades look like too. The first one is CAD Swissy. CAD Swissy. So as you can see here, we have a cross. We have down signal from Supertrend. We have a nice new signal from Ash, which is really nice. But if you look at that volume, look, we don't have volume, and the volume is even still green. So not going to take that one because I don't have supporting volume for it. The other one that's similar is CAD JPY. Again, nice cross, nice signal, but that volume, let's see if we can, ooh, it's coming up. It's getting closer, but it's not there yet. Let's see if I can blow this up a little bit bigger for you. That one would be a really nice one, but see here, that little red line is not quite up high enough. Darn it. All right, and then we have a EuroCAD, which is a similar situation. Okay, so this one is a buy. Got a nice cross there. Our Ash has a nice, I love the fresh signals. They are very powerful. But again, we don't have the volume to support it. So can't do it. And then we have Kiwi Swissy. I'm just showing you these so that you start to see how you filter out the trades that could potentially go wrong. So here we have a nice cross. We've got a fresh signal on our Ash, but again, our volume is low. And look at that, it's even showing buying power still. So not going to touch that one. And finally, Kiwi Yen. Let's pull that one up. Same story. Nice cross, nice fresh signal on our Ash, but we don't have the volume there to support it. So the only, let's see, new trade that I have right now is the Aussie JPY. I am going to go back and I'm going to check on that Great Britain CAD in these last few minutes here just to see. Has this come down yet enough? No, it doesn't look like it has. Look at that volume. Look at that. Oh, everything looks so good. But here you can see 237, 238, still too far. So I guess I'll have to be happy with the one new trade and live with the fact that I had to close that USD CAD trade because the price had closed above the baseline. So there you go. There are the trades for today. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to live with this new exit strategy. Thanks everybody. Hope you're having some really good trades.